Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Roos van Stijn. I'm working as a program manager for Fleet Forum. I'm here today in Kenya at UNEP for a Clean Fleet workshop in which we work with organizations to reduce the carbon emissions of their fleet and to come up with strategies how they can lower their CO2 emissions, how they can reduce their fuel, and how they can make their fleets more environmentally friendly. With me is Sam Bakida from WFP Uganda. And Sam, what made you decide to come and join this workshop?
I joined this workshop because of the interesting area of the field of fleet management. We've been looking around for ideas and strategies of how to control our fleet and keep it clean. It's exciting what we're going through so far. We've been introduced to incredible strategy. So far we've had an introduction, but things are very exciting and we're coming up with very good ideas. I'm very excited about it.
Okay. This is it for now. After the workshop, in our last break, we will come back and then Sam will tell you all what he has learned today. Thank you. So we're at the end now of the Clean Fleet workshop, the whole day talking about clean fleet strategies, how to reduce the CO2 emissions. Sam, what was your biggest takeaway for today?
Oh, thanks very much. I think it was a great experience with us. It was a great revelation of what is going on in the transport industry. And in particular for ours, I've discovered how much carbon emissions we have, come up with a lot of strategies. I know we need to offset with 8,000 trees. We're going to do it with the drivers. We've got a lot of programs coming ahead of us. Thank you very much. It's been an exciting program and we're willing to go ahead with it.
Okay,
yes.
Great. Thanks very much.
Yeah.